Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some exciting news from Garmin smartwatch. If you've been following the Fenix series, you know it's a top choice for athletes and outdoor enthusiasts. Now, Garmin smartwatch is gearing up to release the Fenix 8 Pro, and the leaks suggest it's going to be a game changer. In this video, we'll break down everything we know so far, from new features to expected improvements. So stick around because this smartwatch might just be what you've been waiting for. Garmin smartwatch has a reputation for making rugged and reliable smartwatches. The Fenix series stands out with its long battery life, advanced fitness tracking, and ability to handle extreme conditions. With the Fenix 8 Pro, Garmin smartwatch seems to be taking things to the next level. This model isn't just a small update, it's a significant upgrade in multiple areas, including battery life, GPS performance, and display technology. One of the biggest rumors is that the Fenix 8 Pro will come into sizes 47mm and 51mm. This means users with smaller wrists will have a more comfortable option without sacrificing features. The design will also be more refined, offering a premium look while maintaining its rugged durability. Whether you're on a mountain trail or at a business meeting, the Fenix 8 Pro will fit right in. The display is also getting a major boost. Garmin smartwatch is rumored to introduce a new micro display, which will provide brighter colors, better contrast, and improved energy efficiency. If you've ever struggled to read your smartwatch in bright sunlight, this upgrade will be a game changer. With better visibility outdoors, you won't have to squint to check your stats. Now, let's talk about GPS. Garmin is expected to equip the Fenix 8 Pro smartwatch with an advanced multi-band GPS system. This will provide faster and more accurate location tracking, even in dense forests, mountains, or urban environments. If you rely on your watch for navigation, this upgrade means fewer signal dropouts and more reliable tracking. Another exciting feature is solar charging. Yes, the Fenix 8 Pro smartwatch will integrate solar power, allowing you to extend battery life when you're off the grid. If you love long outdoor adventures, this feature will let you go even further without worrying about charging your watch. Combined with Garmin's improved power management system, you can expect significantly longer usage times. Garmin smartwatch is also stepping up its health tracking capabilities. The heart rate monitor will feature upgraded sensors for even more accurate readings. Whether you're checking your resting heart rate or monitoring performance during an intense workout, the Fenix 8 Pro smartwatch will give you precise data. Sleep tracking is also improving, offering deeper insights into your rest patterns so you can optimize recovery. For fitness enthusiasts, the Fenix 8 Pro smartwatch will include built-in music storage. This means you can load up your favorite playlists or podcasts directly onto the watch, allowing you to leave your phone behind on runs and hikes. It's a small but valuable convenience that enhances your workout experience. So, who is the Fenix 8 Pro smartwatch for? If you're into trail running, mountain biking, or backpacking, this watch is designed for you. It's also great for serious athletes who want advanced tracking and accurate performance data. However, if you don't need all these outdoor-focused features, a simpler model like the Garmin Forerunner or Venu might be a better fit. Another rumored upgrade is better integration with Garmin's ecosystem. Syncing with the Garmin Connect app will be more seamless, making it easier to analyze your workout data. Expect improved training recommendations, recovery insights, and detailed stats that help you optimize your performance. Sensor technology is also seeing improvements. The new model is expected to include advanced blood oxygen tracking, more accurate VO2 max estimations, and real-time stress monitoring. These additions make the Fenix 8 Pro an even more powerful health and fitness tool. Garmin smartwatch may also introduce new materials for the watch, such as an alloy titanium bezel option, making it even more durable and stylish. With new band options, you can customize your watch to match your style, whether you prefer a sporty look or a more professional aesthetic. Battery life is another area where the Fenix 8 Pro is expected to shine. Along with solar charging, Garmin is rumored to include an upgraded power management system. This will intelligently adjust screen brightness and sensor activity based on your usage, extending battery life for multi-day adventures. Navigation and safety features are also being enhanced. The improved GPS system will support new safety functions like incident detection and emergency SOS alerts. If you find yourself in a dangerous situation, your watch can automatically notify emergency contacts with your exact location. For outdoor adventurers, this feature adds an extra layer of security. Entertainment and connectivity are getting a boost as well. With built-in music storage and improved wireless connectivity, switching between your smartwatch and smartphone will be smoother than ever. Garmin is making it easier to manage notifications and sync data so you can stay connected without distractions. When you compare the Fenix 8 Pro smartwatch to previous models, it's clear Garmin is setting a new benchmark for multi-sport smartwatches. This isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a leap forward in design, functionality, and performance. Whether you're a professional athlete, an outdoor adventurer, or just someone who loves high-tech gear, this watch is shaping up to be one of the best options available. Of course, with all these high-end features, there's one major consideration: price. Premium technology often comes with a premium price tag. If you're deeply invested in fitness and outdoor activities, the Fenix 8 Pro could be well worth the investment. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, you might want to explore other Garmin models. To sum it up, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro smartwatch is looking like a powerhouse of a smartwatch. With its refined design, enhanced sensors, solar charging, multi-band GPS, and seamless connectivity, it's built for serious athletes and adventurers. If you're excited about this new watch, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Which feature are you most looking forward to? How do you think it will enhance your workouts or outdoor adventures? Stay tuned for more updates, and thanks for watching.